Free woodworking plans at myoutdoorplans.com.
Hello everyone, I'm Avidu from myoutdoorplans.com. Welcome back to the channel. This is the 3D presentation of the project. As usual, complete plans on the blog, link in the bio. Today I'm excited to show you my latest project, a 20 by 24 lean-to patio cover. If you're looking for a way to add some shade and style to your outdoor space, this build might be just what you need. Let's dive right in. I wanted to create a sturdy and functional patio cover that not only provides shelter but also enhances the overall look of the backyard. The lean-to design is perfect for this because it's simple, effective, and looks great against the house. The total cost for this 20 by 24 lean-to patio cover project came in at around $2,500. This includes all the pressure-treated lumber, 3/4 plywood, asphalt shingles, and necessary hardware like screws and metal brackets. It's a solid investment for a durable and stylish addition to your outdoor space. This 20 by 24 lean-to patio cover can easily double as a carport. It's sturdy enough to protect your vehicle from the elements, and with the spacious design, you'll have plenty of room to park and maneuver. Consider any local building codes or permits you might need for using it as a carport. Let's start with the frame. First, I measured and cut the 6 by 6 posts for the support beams. These will be the backbone of our patio cover, so it's crucial to get the measurements right. I set the posts in concrete using post anchors to ensure a solid foundation. Make sure they're level and evenly spaced, this will keep the entire structure stable. Next, I attached the horizontal beams. These will support the roof, so I used metal brackets for extra strength. Pre-drill the holes to avoid splitting the wood. Before installing the rafters, I attached the ledger boards to the house wall. This step is crucial as the ledger boards will carry the load of the roof and must be securely fastened to the wall framing. Now it's time for the rafters. I spaced them about 24 inches apart to provide adequate support for the roofing material. Secure them in place with 1.5-inch structural screws and rafter ties. For the roof, I used 3/4 plywood as the base. Measure and cut the sheets to fit your frame, then secure them to the rafters with screws. This provides a solid foundation for the shingles. On top of the plywood, I installed asphalt shingles. Start at the bottom and work your way up, ensuring each row overlaps the one below it to create a watertight seal. And there you have it, a 20 by 24 lean-to patio cover. If you enjoyed this build, be sure to check out the link in the bio for complete plans with dimensions, cut and shopping lists. Until next time, build your outdoor world.
For more DIY videos, subscribe, comment, and click the like button. Don't forget to hit the bell.